Ladies and gentlemen, this is Web3 Bro. Welcome you back to the channel. Okay, so right here we have a very powerful project that launched 3 days ago that we can take advantage of. Okay, this is on my Telegram channel, Side Hustles 8 HQ. All right, so I'll put a link in the description below for you to access Telegram so that you can grab the referral link right here because it's a bot on Telegram. This one, right? As you can see, it is t.me, so that's Telegram bot. So what you're gonna do is to click on the link. All right, so you have to open and then click on start to now open the interface for you to see. Okay, so let's just hold on. So now that we are here, you will have to accept the Metatronics terms of use and disclaimer. All right, scroll all the way down and then click on the first one and click on the second one, then click on accept and continue. Welcome to Metatronics investment platform, smart, secure, and daily income powered by AI technologies worldwide. Click on next step and daily profit with smart AI investing. Okay, your funds generate stable returns every day with automated AI-backed trading. Next step, invite friends and unlock powerful income tiers. Build your team and get rewarded automatically through multi-level referral growth. And then next step, personal wallet powered by Ton blockchain. Okay, so you can actually make a deposit right here with Ton with Telegram stars or with BEP20 TRC 20 BEP20. Okay, so USDT. Click on next step. So now your account is activated. You're all set. Time to explore Metatronics. Your account is activated. Okay, so the next thing is going to be happening right now is to click on start growing your capital. Then from there, we're going to grab the bonus. All right, we're going to grab the bonus. One thing is going to pop up right now here. That's it. Then you're going to tap on open. Voila, $20 has been given to you. The $20 is lasting for 30 days. So you're going to click on accept bonus, and that is it. Bonus will be here. All right, bonus is active for 30 days. So all you have to do after you have gotten the bonus is to click on invest in trading. Click right here, invest in trading. Okay, you click in invest in trading, and then the balance is $20. You just click on to trading. All right, so if you are making a deposit, all right, so if you're making a deposit from your real money, because you may have to do that later if you want to make more money on this, you have to add more balance right here. Okay, whatever you have in your balance is gonna be here, and then you can click on use marks. All right, use marks, whatever you can put. You can type in the digit right here, and then click on to trading, submitting, transaction completed. Right, so this money has moved from available balance to trading balance. All right, so you see, so you can tap right here to make a deposit, which we are going to see right now. Tap here to add money. You can use cryptocurrency. All right, you can use card stroke Apple Pay. You can use to pop with Telegram stars, like I said before. All right, so if you're looking for premium service, manual transaction processing through manager is $2,000 and above. No deposit or withdrawal fees for that premium service. Okay, then if you click on cryptocurrency, the beautiful thing about this is that you can do all of these things on Telegram app, and it's very, very powerful, very awesome. Right, so you don't need to go to Chrome to do anything. So everything can be done here on Telegram. So you can select USDT under the Tron network, or probably you can use USDC if you want. But I always advise to go for USDT. Select network. You can go for BEP20 if you want to. All right, so we go for network with the cheapest fees. Okay, so you can either choose Tron or BEP20. Anyone is fine. And then you scroll the way down, up there, you can deposit from $1 to, I think this is $1 million, right? You can just add up the amount of money and then this amount you're going to pay, or amount to pay. This is it, and then you can decide to pick from here. You can decide to say, okay, I'm depositing $51. All right. Okay, you see that now. You can decide to say, okay, I'm going for $100. I'm going for $100, and that is it. Amount to pay, they are giving you amount to pay. You're going to pay $102 for the fees. Okay, if you're going for $250, you're going to send $255. That's the amount to pay. If you're going to pay $2,000, you're going to send $2,040. All right, so that's what it is. And then invoice expires 30 minutes. Payment is confirmed automatically after receipt. Just create the invoice. Okay, let's say $50 right here, and then you create the invoice. How to make a deposit, that's what I'm making right now. How to make a deposit, and then it is saying status is you waiting, pending. So all you have to do is to click on copy. Remember, you are paying USDT under BEP20 network, so you click on copy right here. All right, head over to your exchange or wherever you have your money in, and then make transfer, and that's how it works. Okay, so that is it for deposit. Let's go back to dashboard. Okay, let's go to dashboard. Yeah, so this is what just happened. Okay, so transfer to trading amount, giving notification. So let's go back to dashboard. Let's show you one or two things. And if you want to withdraw, you click on withdraw right here. You can transfer money to another user using ID. This is the ID right here. This is the ID. This is mine. This is mine. Okay. If you want to transfer money to me directly from this platform, you can do it to me. So this is my ID on top here. And then you can decide to say use max. You click on the use max, and then withdrawal amount. Minimum withdrawal is $20. And then you can choose Tron or BEP20. Anyone you want, you put in your address and then submit withdrawal. It happens instantly. You can use your Telegram wallet. Remember, we have Telegram wallet. Just because we're not doing tap again doesn't mean that all those things are not existing. Okay, you can use your Telegram wallet and receive it directly. It's even faster. All right, and so let's go back. Let's do a few more navigations before we end the video. It won't be too long. And then scroll the way down here, and then you see there is also on-chain deposits. Okay, investments. Yeah. So this is the deposit that's pending. All right. So even if you leave the app and come back, it's still pending right here. That means you've not lost your track. Okay. And then look at where it says. Look at where you see this icon right here. You click on it. The next thing I'm going to talk about is the referral system. Right. So you can refer people and get paid. Okay. You should share your link to your people and then you get paid. All right. That's how it works. You share a link with your guys and then you get paid for it. So that's how it works. All right, so like I said, I have dropped my link in the description below. So you're gonna get started, and then you can decide to make a deposit if you want to. For me, I am going to deposit because this is still brand new and it's paying massively. And then if you click on, you can decide to share Telegram link, web link, or you just share your code. So anyone who's registering directly without a referral link can enter this code. All right. Anyone who's registering on Chrome can enter the second one. All right. Anyone who's registering to Telegram, which Telegram is always preferable. All right. That one will just go straight to the point and then registration is made. So we are almost done with the video. So the next one is this, where you see like a portfolio right there, and then you click on it. Right, so this particular one is your team income. Okay, this is about your referral income. All right, your team income, build your own network and receive income from every active partner. Your community is to scale. So this is your personal income from trading, and this is your income from team. And it's the team total turnover from whatever they are making from the trading profit. Okay, this is your own personal income. This is referral income for all time, income for 24 hours. So all of that, the growth today, no change in your structure today. All right. So levels, there are levels right here. All of these things will have to be discussed later. All right. So that is it about the platform. If you want to invest in this platform, you are very, very free because it is brand new. It's paying right now. Is very, very active. So that will be for the video. This is Metatronics Global. So click the link in the description below, land on the Telegram channel, join the Telegram channel, and then grab the link below and then get started. So we will see in another video. Thanks for watching.